SUV to take a look at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1999 Chevrolet Tahoe LT. Summit white exterior, neutral leather interior, nicely equipped one, and we'll get into that in a bit. Best thing about this, spent a majority of its life in Colorado up till 2018. So you can take a look around the wheel wells on this in the still pictures. Take a look at the bottom sides of the doors. I have pictures. You do not see any bubbling, rust. And that's due to the fact Colorado vehicle from out west. Like I said, take a look at the still pictures. I have the underside of this. Again, the bottoms of each of the doors. Take a close look. Let's go ahead and take a look at the grille, bumper, headlight surrounds. Look at the chrome and the bright work. A little over 151,000 miles on this vehicle. Clean Carfax. On that Carfax, there is a steady service history of this vehicle, and again, no accidents. Clean Carfax confirms miles and the fact that it was a Colorado vehicle up till 2018. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, take a look at the engine bay, look at the interior, look at the seats, the carpeting. Look close at this thing because it's amazing how clean a shape this is in. Still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, phone number 507-386-1726. Riding on 18's nice looking Chevy wheel. And again, let's take a look up and down the passenger side, just like we did that driver's side. Up and around the wheel wells, down those running boards. Not seeing really any bubbling, anything started on this at all. Remember, check out the bottoms of those doors. Be amazed at how clean it is. Let this window down. I want to take a peek at this passenger seat. Give you an idea what this interior looks like. In the still pictures, I did take out the weather techs that are on the floor up here and have pictures of the carpeting underneath those. Look at the dash. How about the headliner? All very clean on this vehicle, in a nice shape. And again, as usual, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can help with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Around to the back, how many times do you see these receivers? Rusty. The chrome peeling off the bumpers. Not on this one. Take a good look. Show you this rear area too. Notice it does have the barn doors compared to the lift gate. A lot of people prefer those barn doors. Once upon a time, must have had audio equipment back here. There is still power supply and some cords running for that. We just left them intact in case it ever need to be used again, or they can be taken out. They're not hurting anything where they're sitting. Protective carpeting was put down here. Looks great, and it's not hiding anything. I wanted to point that out. The carpeting back here, also in nice shape. So that is not hiding anything. Somebody put it down to protect the carpeting. So want to make you aware of that. See how nicely those doors close. Many times are those squeaky and tight. What we got here looks like Fort Lupton, Colorado, and that was one of the places this was owned. That and Fort Collins, I believe, was the other one. Again, Colorado vehicle up till 2018. Still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Let's go ahead and take a look at the back seat area in this vehicle also, because the seating and the carpeting, the headliner, all in extremely nice shape. I should be able to see that. And there's probably 100 or so pictures of this vehicle online. You'll be able to see all the seats, carpeting, in those still pictures on our website. All right, some of the options, let's hit. Power windows, of course. Power locks, mirrors. Mentioned power seats earlier, both sides. Power seats. This also has heated switch here. Off, low, and high. Again, there's those weather techs. I have still pictures underneath there, not hiding anything. Carpeting's extremely clean. Take a look at the seats. Armrest, center console, all in nice shape. Does have an aftermarket Alpine stereo system that has been added. Did have that working. AC blows cold. Of course, it's got power steering, power brakes, all in working order. Take a look at the top of that dash. I can't say enough about the condition of this vehicle. And it's one of those, remember, we do have an open door policy for a third-party inspector. You wanted somebody else to take a look at this, see if it appears like you see it in the videos and the pictures, how I've described it. Most definitely feel free to have somebody come take a look at it if you can't. All right, it's fired up. There's the exact miles. Close that door a second. 151,665. And as you can see, no warning indicators, check engine lights, anything like that. Daytime running lamps is up there, and then the seatbelt, of course, since I don't have that on. Alpine stereo system, push button 4-wheel drive with all auto or all-wheel drive. 4-wheel drive on auto. Does have that capability, otherwise you can go 2 high or 4 high. Rear AC controls, home link, garage door opener. Nicely equipped. It is an LT, and it sounds just like you'd expect it to. Of course, it's got that 5.7 liter underneath the hood, and that is paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. That's what these would have came with from Chevrolet back in 1999. Sounds good, not smoking. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. I want to pop this hood, show you this engine bay because it matches the rest of the truck.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And here we go, engine compartment. What you're going to notice, again, lack of surface rust, any sort of really corrosion of any kind. 5.7 liter, running smooth. And again, on that Carfax, there was a very steady service and or maintenance history on it. And with that Carfax, confirmed miles, no accidents indicated. So clean Carfax, and what a smooth runner, wow. Don't see them this clean all the time. 1999 Chevrolet Tahoe LT. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate. Call or email.